Okay, here's a quick little review on Tormenta because now that I'm thinking about it, looking back on my videos, I never came out with my Tormenta review. So I'm going to the beach in a couple days, so I don't really have time to actually edit and make a long form video about it. But here's a quick little review on it. I ranked it like I normally do, 10 categories, ranked them 10 out of 10 on each one to get to a score of 100. I did this with Circuit Breaker. That got, I think, like a 64. This got a 70. So highest one I've ranked so far, and yeah, that's about it.